Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you hide a post into Binance Square. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application you will get to see this Square option into here. Tap to Square option and then you can see a lot of posts into Binance Square. Now you just simply have to find out the post which you would like to hide or don't want to see, and after finding the post you will get to see these three dots besides the name of the poster. Just simply tap to that three dots and you will get to see this option of not interested in this post. Tap into that and then Binance will hide the post for you. This way you can very easily hide the post into Binance. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.